Hello and welcome to this introduction video for the installation of WinRFCalc, the Windows RF calculator software package which you can download from rfcalculator.com. I've just opened a web browser and here you see the RF calculator website where WinRFCalc can be downloaded. Here you see the download button. I click the download button and I redirected to the software download page. Here you see the download file, the zip file with the installation package. I click on it. You see the download is done. I close the browser, open a File Explorer, go to the Downloads folder, extract the just downloaded file here. And here you see the installation file to install WinRFCalc on this device. Double click. And this will start the installation here on the PC. I click yes, next, 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 install. And we finish the installation process. In every start, the program checks the latest version on the website which is available, and 2.3.2.1 is the latest available version. So we are installing this latest version. You see two windows here. This is the main screen, at present disabled, and a welcome new user screen. So let's fill out the details and get this thing started, because what you need is a startup code, because otherwise the software will not run. So how did you find the program? Well, let's say we found it on Google. Then here I type in my email address, winrfcalc@outlook.com. My name is Win. The last name is RFCalc. And let's say the company name is rfcalculator.com. We have to delete the option word. So with all these details filled in, you click here on request start code. And what will happen next is that a pre-filled in contact page of the website becomes visible with all your details here in the various boxes. And the only thing you have to do is check I agree on the privacy policy, and then you click send, which causes an email to be generated automatically to the development team, where a startup code is next step to be generated, which will be sent to you by email. And how that process is running, we will show you in the next video.